Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look at the euro versus U.S. dollar. We've seen up and down price action for most of the New York session, and heading a little bit more back down to the downside here, approaching some key support that I talked about earlier this morning. But just want to remind you of what levels are in play. So let's get started. All right, there are two levels in play for the euro versus U.S. dollar. One of them is on the daily chart. The other one's on the hourly chart. And both of them have to do with a retracement level. So let's first take a look at the daily chart here. And we look at this, we have the high price that goes back to 2020 here. The low price from 2022 is in September. And the 50% midpoint of that move comes in at 1.0942. That's this level right here. And the price currently is trading at 1.0944. So just above that 42 level, and in trading over the last few days, we've seen the price trade above and below that key level. So it's in play, but the market is kind of unsure of which way it wants to go around that midpoint level. So we'll be paying attention to that level at 1.0942. Now, the other level that I want to speak to is off the hourly chart. When we take a look at the hourly chart, the 50% midpoint of this move to the upside from this low from December, this December low to the December high, the 50% midpoint comes in at 1.0931. So here's our 42 level right here. Draw a horizontal line across at that level, and then just below that level is the 50%. At 1.0931, and I'm also going to draw a horizontal line across here because around that level we have a number of different swing levels, including this high right here, and then we moved above it. We tried to hold support against that level and only break down to the downside here, and this low right here, and then this high right here, this high right here, this high right here, all these different highs through here, which formed this ceiling until it broke above, and then we started to use that level as a floor right here. So not only do we have the 50% retracement, but we also have this swing area right through here, right around the 10931 level. So that level is going to be important as well. So 50% on the daily chart at 42, 50% on the hourly chart at 31, and a bunch of swing levels at that level as well. Is going to define the either more bullish or more bearish going forward for this currency pair. If we're able to get below the 42 level and the 32 level, then I'd expect further downside momentum, perhaps down toward the 61.8% retracement as the next key target, or that would be the next key target. Conversely, if the price is able to stay above these levels right here, we could see the buyers come back in and push the price back up toward the 38.2, the broken 38.2, and more importantly, probably the falling 100-hour moving average. That would be a key test on the top side, a key barometer for traders going forward in the euro versus U.S. dollar as we start the new trading year. So there you have it, a updated and more detailed look at the euro versus U.S. dollar as we head toward the close, as we head into the new trading day. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.